Howdy. Howdy, 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 howdy. So, I have some items from the food pantry, and I'm going to make a meal real quick. So, let's do it. I'm gonna make like a casserole. I've got these chicken breast, canned chicken breast. Pull out my can opener. Start opening my cans. And straining everything off. Ah. Add in a can of chicken. Add in a can of corn. Add in a can of green beans. Give that a mix. And then I got this chicken gumbo. I didn't have any cream of chicken or cream of mushroom, so I'm gonna add this chicken gumbo as if it were the cream of chicken. And we'll just see, because I have no idea. Oh man, it's got rice in it. Okay, well, whatever. We've already committed. We're this far. We're this far. To add some creaminess, I've got some sour cream here. I'm going to add in the rest of this sour cream. It needs to be used. Okay, sour cream in. And then I have some cheese here from my fridge that I need to use that I want to add in. Add that. Add the rest of this cheese. Give it a good mix, a good mix. And I was debating on adding this last can, but I'm going to. Chicken in. What does it smell like your cat food? Or you just smell food and you're just automatically triggered? Is that it, kitty? Alright, we're just going to give this a good mix, and then I'm going to add some seasonings in. Okay, so I'm going to add in a little slap y'all mama, a little spice here. parsley flakes. There's my oven beeping. It's saying it's ready. I've set it to 400. I don't know if I said that or not. Adding in a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm just kind of making this up as I go. You know, what's the worst that's going to happen? It'll taste good. I'll let you know. Adding in some pepper. Give everything a really good mix. And I'm going to clean all this up and start the next step of what I'm planning to do here. So I'll be right back. Alright, so the next step is I'm going to make this stuffing I got from another pantry haul. I'm going to add 1.5 cups water to my pot here, because that's what it's calling for. And then 4 tablespoons of butter, which is what this is. I haven't even turned my eye on. And I'm just gonna cut it with my fork that I'm using so I don't dirty up more dishes. All right, butter's in. I'm gonna get this boiling here. All right, we have it up to a rolling boil. Seems like the butter is still trying to melt just a tad. So I'm gonna give it just a second to melt all that butter. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add in our stuffing mix. And just add it in and you give it a stir, make sure everything's covered in liquid. And it appears it is. So I'm going to cover it and remove it from the heat and let it sit for 5 minutes. So I'm setting a 5-minute timer. And I'll be back in 5 minutes. Alright, so my stuffing just beeped. And here it is. I'm going to give it a little mix. I'm going to add it to the top here. Gonna spoon it out. My son is coming over with his girlfriend to eat, so I thought I better have something made when he arrives, because I don't get to see him very much. Bubba's coming over. Huh? Bubba's coming over. I'm making a meal right now.
What are we gonna eat?
It's chicken.
Only chicken? I want crab too.
Crab? Who's feeding you? So here we go. I got that on the top there.
Why are you making a video?
And I'm just gonna pop this in the oven for 20 minutes at 400. And we'll see how it goes. It looks very pretty right now with all the steam coming off.
Oh, there's something else with that. Oh, this is disgusting.
You